Join me in my Thai adventures. Click the subscribe button right now and the little bell next to it so you get notified every time I post a new video. Join my Ting Tong army. Alright guys, right now I'm on the way to Hui Tung Tao for some lunch on the lake. It's very beautiful there. I'm gonna eat lots of delicious food, including gung ten or dancing shrimp, which is another very daunting dish to eat, as you will see. Just a heads up, there is a 20 baht entry fee for Thai people and 50 baht entry fee for foreigners or Falang. Many people might not agree with this, but it is one of the small prices that one has to pay while enjoying the benefits of living in Thailand. Surprise, this is what we're eating for lunch today. Let's see if I can catch lunch. Let's catch ourselves a big one. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Key to fishing with your hands, like regular fishing, is patience. I may have already scared them off. So much for that. I was just joking anyway, we ordered some food. What is on the menu today, you ask? Well, let me show you. First of all, some fish. That looks great. We also have some very simple fried rice, some veggies, and of course, crickets and silkworm. Last but not least, come here a little bit closer. Gotta be careful with those. Dancing shrimp or gung ten. Look at that. That is amazing. Going mad. Some great fish.
Yep.
Well, I might as well give the dancing shrimp a try. Before you eat it, you have to give it a shake, shake, shake. Mix it all up. Call me the shrimp bartender. Oi. Believe me, it's much better than it looked. Crunchy, spicy, slimy. That's great. Let's wash back those dancing shrimp with some crickets. Crunchy and delicious. Very healthy. If you want to get the server's attention here, because we're so far away, we have to nop nop. Check bill cup. Check bill cup. Got lion. We've got elephants. We've got it all. We even have King Kong and his siblings. Pumbaa, is that you? Where's Timon? Check out the badonkadonk on Mrs. Kong. I'm terribly sorry, Mr. and Mrs. Kong, for objectifying your wife. Please forgive me. Please.